What is going on, fam? Check this out. So I got all the mods I wanted. Um, so yeah, we got the duckbill spoiler in the rear. That's how it looks from the bottom, of course. Side view, and then we tinted the tail lights. And also, I was gonna ask your suggestions. I need help on this one. From the side, should I black out that red spot or no? Because I think that's useless. Just let me know what you guys think in the comment below. Help me out on that one. So I got the vinyl on the chrome delete on the wheels, and it's been like 4 months now, 5. Still there, no issues. And then I installed this yesterday. The vent shark fins, they look amazing. There you go. Side. And especially when you're sitting in the car and you look in the side mirror, you get to see it and it looks good. And then I got the window visors. They're pretty good looking, like it's got style to it. It's not like one of those, you know, just stick them up and they just curve right down. So they got style to it, as you can see as you go along. And then yeah, I got the OX horn carbon fiber on the side mirror. That's how it is. It looks great. It puts a nice style to it. So I'll move back a little bit. And yeah, I did the chrome delete on the window as well. That, you know, I don't know what's it called, but yeah, you guys know. And then the front, yeah, I actually dipped this and it worked out perfect. That reflector area, the yellow. And then the front, I dipped the front chrome grill. It's easy to remove whenever I want to take it off. I don't gotta unscrew stuff and everything like that. And then I got the overlay on the yellow fog lights in the bottom. And there's video on that as well. You know what? I'll add a video to this in the end, how it looks at night. And yeah, the front lip kit looks great. I love it. It's amazing. And yeah, that's the OX horn on the side mirrors, as you can see how it looks. So that's how it looks. And then we're going, I'm thinking, oh, also over here, just help me out. There I could tint this black, and then we would only see the side. So give me a comment below on that one. So just thinking about that, just tinting that inner area tinted black. And then we'll move to the side. This side, as you can see, everything is looking good. Sharp fence, amazing. And the duckbill spoiler. And yeah, muffler and resonator delete, as you can see in my previous videos. I have uploaded many videos on the sound in different ways. That's about it. Well, I'll post a link in the description for some of these mods that I can find on Amazon for you guys, but the rest are on eBay. But if you need me to find you something on eBay, please comment below. So when you sit in the car, that's how it looks. And of course you got the window visors, you can see, and also the vent, the shark fins in the back. See if I can zoom in. Yep. So there it is. So this is the lights at night. And also the inside interior, I have all white LED lights. So I'll put those in the description as well, the links in the description. They are awesome, because you can see it's bright. And I got also installed it in my trunk as well. So just open the trunk. Look at that. It's pretty bright in here. See that? So yeah, that's all the mods I got so far. Comment below for any other ideas you guys might have, and yeah, like and subscribe, hit the notification button, and share the channel. And I really appreciate the support you guys give me. Yeah, all the links will be in description for what I've done so far. Thanks for watching.